How do you change your character?
I don't know. Hey guys, we're here playing a gay game. I don't want to play it, but
Hey, don't call it that. It's awesome. I'm gonna choose a smart character.
I can't. I really can't do scary
Come on, let's go.
things.
Come on, choose your character. Let's go. I'm the
Okay.
blonde kid.
Oh,
'Cause
oops,
I'm
I didn't
blonde.
mean to do that.
Let's go, boy.
It's Elvin.
Boy.
Well,
Be the smart one, because I'm the dumb one.
I'll be Velma.
You're Velma. I'm Shaggy. Let's go. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
I can't.
Just go. Come on. Oh, it's starting.
Oh.
Oh, it's starting. Oh.
Okay, remember when
Oh,
we...
no.
Oh no! I can't. Oh, you're so ugly. Oh, you're so nasty.
Ew, you look really dumb. I don't know if I want to play this game.
Well, you said I don't want to
I know.
either. I'm gonna go look up
Okay,
cat
I'm done.
pictures. Okay,
Hey, Bridger.
you're listening for the noises. No,
Wait, what?
you're listening for the noises, okay?
Oh, I turned off game sound.
Why? I can't. I can't listen to the noises. I really.
I
What?
think your character has tattoos on her legs.
Are you serious? Wow,
I think so.
okay.
Oh, wait, no, she doesn't. She doesn't.
Good. Cause like she looks like
Okay, I'm gonna go this way
Cause
instead
Velma.
of that way.
No. Where are you? Okay. Just follow me, I guess. I can't go forward. Where's the tape?
I turned. Tape. What?
You have to look for tape recorder.
Oh, I thought you meant like tape.
You have to have game sound to hear it for them, though.
I don't wanna.
Oh, you use right trigger to run. Are you
Okay,
scared?
that's not-
Oh wait, that's the end of the world. Okay, we'll go this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna pee my face.
I can't, oh man, I can't look at the screen. Please just let it be over.
I don't want to.
Please just let it be over. Please.
You ever run out of like stamina?
Where are you?
Boo.
You go forward. You lead.
No, screw
You lead, you little turd. Go. Go.
Screw you.
I'm right behind you. Just go. I'll follow
I'm
you.
hiding this.
I'll hide with you. Never mind, we can't, because if we wait too long, then will come after us. And then we're screwed.
Okay. Well, where is he?
I don't know. You have to find the first tape. It's like Slender. Where did you go? Oh.
Wait, so if you find it, he then starts chasing you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is...
Or if you find this like weird green statue and then your screen goes yellow, and then if you stare at it too long, then he pops up
I
on
wanna
your
do
screen and
that.
kills you.
I wanna do that.
We can't go that way.
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm right behind you. I can see whatever you're seeing right now.
You don't know that.
Third.
Okay, I'm done.
You actually did scare me for a second. I can't.
This is... Oh, jeez, my screen just like flashed for a couple seconds.
But what do you mean?
Like it got fuzzy for like a second.
Really?
Oh, look, it's the end of the world.
Go,
Oh,
keep
yeah.
going along
Oh, it's getting fuzzy. It's getting fuzzy!
Mine isn't.
It's getting fuzzy! It's getting fuzzy for sure.
Go this way. Go this way. Go left. Go left.
Which way? I don't know where... oh my gosh!
What?
Oh, I saw... That was your shadow. The shadow...
Just follow me! Just follow me!
What?
Follow me!
I don't know. Your face is so calm.
How is my face? I can't. I really can't play this game.
Your face is so calm.
Please lead. Please lead. Please lead. I
I don't know where
can't.
we're... No.
I can't. Yeah,
My
that's a tree.
screen is
That's a
getting
tree.
fuzzy.
It is?
Seriously. Yeah.
Here we go.
Ah, gee. Oh, that's just a tree. Okay.
You.
The tree scared me. What?
That
What?
was me. Sorry.
Do you see this?
What?
No, do you see this tree? It has a really weird... Oh, fuzzy. I'm not going that way.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. No, it's like when it's yellow. Yellow
It's getting
fuzz.
like super fuzzy.
Yellow fuzz around the
Oh,
screen.
yeah. No, it's getting fuzzy. I don't like it.
Mine isn't.
Do you have game You have
Yes, I have game
in?
sound in, you little turd.
Okay.
You.
'Cause I don't.
Hey, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
try to follow you as best as I can with my eyes closed.
Well, I don't know where I'm going. Oh gosh.
I bet he's come after us already. We might want to start sprinting.
No, that sucks because you can't see.
What is this?
I don't want.
Oh, I hear a tape. I hear. Oh, there's a tape right there. Go get it.
I don't know where.
Right there.
I don't want to
Vaguely
pick
weird.
it up.
I'll pick it up.
I picked it up.
I picked it up, dude. What? What's going on? Woo! Woo! Ah! Ah! I can't look! I can't look! I can't look! I can't look! Ah, I can't look!
Oh, I can see you! Bridger! Come here!
Ah!
Bridger!
Ah!
Bridger! I'm right behind you!
I'm not gonna play!
Just turn on! Just do it.
He's right behind me!
Wait, I think I'm him. I think I play as him when I die.
Nope. Haven't you seen CNN's play?
No?
I hear tape.
I'm right behind you. Or maybe I'm spectating. Yeah, I think I'm spectating.
2 tapes.
But turn like right behind you, because I can't see him.
You know what? No. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't. Nope,
Yeah,
nope,
you
nope.
You can finish it. Hey, I got scared. Because, like, I freaking turned around. Or no, I didn't even turn around. Like, we collected the tape, and I turned around, and he just appeared and killed me. Like, I didn't even have any time to react. And you
My
just-
heart. My eyes are closed. I'm not. I hardly look at the screen.
He came up behind you, and he didn't attack you, which was weird. And I was like, Bridget, turn around.
I hear another tape.
So yeah.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
She like squeals.
I can't play.
I'm literally standing right behind you.
I can't
Turn
play.
around, Bridger, and it'll all be over. You ran into a tree.
I'm not looking.
Yeah,
Ah, I can hear him.
Guys. I don't know where you're going. Oh, you're going onto a road. Okay.
I'm putting the controller down.
No,
No, I'm taking the sound off. No, no, no.
Yeah, when I took the sound. Oh, here, cover your eyes. I'll be your eyes.
I can hear him. This is so. I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, go right. Go right a little bit.
You know what? I'm not listening to you anymore. I'm turning down the game sound. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Oh, there's a little thing over here. Come over here. Turn.
I'm running.
Right, no, there's a bus stop, and I think there's a tape in it.
I'm
Oh,
scared.
wait, there isn't. I lost you.
Ah!
I'm gonna die now. Oh gosh.
New world record, everybody.
Wait, I thought I collected one though.
No, I did for you because you weren't picking it up.
Oh,
Screams,
whatever.
screams, screams.
I screamed twice.
I screamed like 4 million times. Look,
Wait,
it's
what is
Velma.
this? Oh, this
and
is. Wait, I wanna watch this. Oh, we went the same direction? Okay.
and then you died eventually. That
Yeah,
scared the
it's a-
crap. I can't. I really
We
can't.
went in a circle.
I know, but
That was.
I literally cannot play that game
Yeah, that
ever
was.
ever again.
No, I freaking heard your character scream and it scared me.
Where did we? Wait, when did you die? How long did it take for you to die? Oh, there you
There
are.
we go.
And then I went by
And then I
myself.
started following you. I thought I was the
You were like a
monster.
ghost or something. And then, oh yeah, I grabbed the tape. And then I went back. And oh, that's where I screamed. And then, what
That's
did
where
I?
you legitimately
That's-
screamed.
I legitimately screamed.
Yeah, it was like a little bit of a and then you like
I
started laughing.
no more. Thank you guys for watching. You all suck.